Oh. Okay, so now I'm gonna make the sauce for my General Toss chicken. While that is frying up, let me come back. Let me get you guys back over here. So that's chicken breast frying up to get General. We're gonna try and make General Toss chicken. Okay. It's always a first, and today is the first to make some General Toss chicken. So now I'm gonna make the sauce. Attempt to make the sauce. I don't have all the stuff that they say you need, but here I'm gonna use what I have and improvise. Improvise with what I have to make the sauce. What the hell is it to put in there again? Okay, I think it's it. Ketchup. I'm gonna take out my ketchup. I'm improvising. Okay? We're gonna get the sauce. Tasting like sauce. But my style. We got everything the same as put in this, so we're gonna improvise. So for this sauce, I have all these bottles here. Go water, give me one moment this time. Okay. So this is my chopped garlic. We improvising. Okay. Please forgive me. I'm the host. I'm the camera person. I'm everything in one. So I have to be all over the place. I don't have no assistants. So I'm gonna add some chopped garlic. Let me add a little bit to the pan to fry up those things. People usually add garlic when they're frying. So the chopped garlic. So chopped garlic, just buy it in the bottle. And let me move this because I'm recording a video over there. That stuff is right in the way. And I have this fish and meat sauce. Don't necessarily need this, but hey, this is what I know. They say put oyster sauce. I don't have none of that, so as I said, I'm going to improvise and use what I have to make my General Toss chicken sauce. So while that is frying up, I'm going to get another pan to start. I'm going to get another pan. I need to put on another pan. There's too much stuff to fry today. Just thought of it. But let me start this real quick. Then I get to that. Oh, confusing myself. You ever feel confused in the kitchen? Well, right now is a confused moment. So this is fish and meat sauce from Grace. I'm going to add a little bit of that. Tastes good. Let me see. Tomato paste, sugar, vinegar. It mainly tastes like barbecue sauce. But okay. I have some soy sauce. I should have a full box in here. This one done. We're trying to make the General Toss chicken. General Toss chicken. General Toss chicken. So find another backup. Always have a backup. Hi Wilma. Let me stand there. I'm trying to make General Toss chicken, sis. First time making it, so hey, forgive me. Going along. Soy sauce. And what else could I know they say ginger. I don't have no fresh ginger, so we'll use some of this. improvise. I have this ginger, liquid ginger here. So I'm on my Facebook Live, I'm recording a video, and I'm YouTube Live. Ketchup. Chow, chow, chow. Look, we have some barbecue sauce here. You make it whatever you want it to say. Sounds good? This is sweet onion barbecue sauce from Kraft. We'll add some of this too. Alrighty. This is going to be the sauce for the General Tso's chicken. We can make it spicy, so we could add, I don't have to add some more of the, do they have to put it on the stove? I can't remember. Could add some red pepper flakes in it to get it that spicy kick. Guys, like up the live and please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for all my new subscribers on my YouTube channel, on my Facebook page. Thank you. Keep subscribing. When you see a video, please drop some comment under it so it could get pushed out into the algorithm. Okay, see. Okay. You have to put some cornstarch in it. Taking it up, but I think I have to do that at the stove. Let me move it over here for right now. And see if these need flipping. I'm getting around worked my last 6 days yesterday. Okay. April 15th. So let's go back over here and check on these. They ain't really getting dark yet, so let's just leave them. I'm in love with a man nearly twice my age. Okay, they're not really ready yet. Let's just leave them. Come back this way. I'm having you bouncing back and forth. So yeah, so I need another pot started because it seems like everything gonna be fried today. So let me get another pan. Gotta work the stove. We do the rice at the end, so. I'm gonna come my way. I don't care what people say. I'm in love with a man. Barely twice my age. I used to sing that song, but I wasn't realizing I was in love with a man. Twice my age. Man. But all my kids' father them is twice my age, you know? Twice my age. When I was younger, only old men used to rush me down. As I said, my third son's birthday is this Tuesday. So if you want to drop something into the my third son, he's been with 20 on Tuesday. Alright, Wilma. I'm gonna stop burn this. Maybe I fry the fish in this. Let me add a little flour to the fish too. A little fish. Ready and red is dancing with me. So we have 4 pieces of tilapia here. Just let this one half. We're gonna fry them right this up. I got it at Walmart. 4 pieces of tilapia. I'm not a chef today, but hey, this gonna get done. While that pan get hot, let me try to wash up some of these dishes real quick. While the pan get hot, I'm going to get a little bit more flour. These things are so soft. All my eggshell is like twice my age. Twice. Some done reach 75, 60. My last one just hit 60. Oh Lord, what was I thinking? No, young, he wasn't thinking. He was just having sex. Just to have sex, and he wasn't thinking. So all of them baby daddies twice my age. Queen 65, done 60. Done hit 70 by now. Some of them probably done hit 70. My oldest son, his dad was yeah, he was married. He was one married man, not again. Let's give these a flip. Don't be with no married man. I wasn't really with him, you know what I'm saying? We just had sex. Wasn't thinking then I was 20, 21, I don't know the hell I was. I didn't know myself. I was just doing what I guess what they wanted me to do, and bam, I got a child. So he's 30 now. Then I met another one, bam, I got a second one, he's 29. Bam, I met a different man. So they have 4 baby daddy. 4 sons, 4 baby daddy. Met another one. Bam, I'm pregnant. 4th one. I say after the 4th one, and I'll say, guess what? I don't want no more baby dropping out this big baby. So I put a lock on it. I shut that sucker down. I put a lock on it and said, no more baby coming out this big boom thing. No more. Damn it. No more. Oh, let me forget to have it all on here, so let me put the fish in there. No more, baby. So I 4 them. And I'm single. Yeah? 4 baby daddy. I lock that stuff up. So no more baby popping out of this big batch thing. Okay, let me put the fish to fry. I don't think I could fit all of them at the same time, so let me just do 2 at a time. go. I'll get these rinsed up real quick. Soaked up and rinsed up and all that. Yeah, I'm talking over this. So you're in my way. So yeah, let's fry up this fish, the chicken, and I have one little small pack of pork too. We're gonna drop those in to get fried also. So let me do it. I'm the host, the camera person, the dishwasher, everything at once, so forgive me if I miss a comment. But like up the live if you're watching from the outside of the live. Come in the live, subscribe to the channel if you're watching from Facebook, YouTube. Come in and say hello to the channel. My name is Andrea, and I'm here to give you Sunday dinner. I'm showing you my Sunday dinner. So as I said before, I'm live on Facebook on one of my smaller channel, Andrea, but then I'm cross streaming to my other platforms. So I'm live about 7 Facebook in the live right now. So if you're watching, please come in and say hello. Come on the page that say Andrea. That's the only page I could see to read your comments, but I'm also streaming on the other platforms. I'm looking for followers on all my pages. Please follow the pages. My main page, Andrea Jacobs, and my other backup pages, Inspirational Andrea and Amazing Heart Art. Follow the page them. Please and thanks. When you see a video go up, please leave a comment under the video. So Facebook, and if you do Facebook Live, you don't know. So when Facebook give us different tasks to complete each week, it's like, okay, if you want to get more subscribers, reply to 20 posts, reply to 20 comments. But if nobody commenting, hi Julie. If nobody commenting, then you can reply to the comment. Then it'll say post. It might say post 7 different videos, and they give you different tasks each week to do for people who have a Facebook page. So 7-page, wow. I know, I just share it because I have some group pages too. So I shared it to all my group pages. So I'm streaming, I know I'm streaming on Andrea Jacobs. I'm streaming from Andrea, I cross stream to Inspirational, Amazing Heart Art. I shared it to my main page, Andrea Jacobs. I shared it to my group page, friends who like Amazing Heart Art. And I have another friends who like Amazing Heart Art. I think it's a private one, and I think there's another private one. So I just shared it to all my page them. But I think there's somebody said that Facebook gonna start deleting the videos them, because they're only letting you keep your videos them for 30 days now. I don't like that. Because if you do Facebook Live, you will know this. If you don't do it, you won't know. When you end up Facebook Live, it gives you 3 options. You could save for 30 days. You could save it for 6 months or never delete. I always click never delete. But now they take away those 2 options and they only say save for 30 days. What they're going to do? Start deleting the video then? That's not right. Maybe they're having a glitch or something. But YouTube was having a glitch the other day too. I was trying to get some of them to bring over here. But hey, even though I stream on both platforms, you know, you're streaming from different phones, it's showing different angles, so I could share it to one of my other page, but I couldn't get it. I could not get it for the love of Jesus to share, to download. Maybe the tablet falls, laptop. So okay, this is my chicken breast, chicken breast, yeah. So making General Tso's chicken. First time making it, so bear with me. But I think the sauce, I think I have to put the sauce to on the stove. I think so. Do I? I just know. I don't think I have to put it on the stove. Oh, I can't remember. I watched so much video already and I forget what I have to do. Okay, I never know that. Yeah. When you end it and it give you, it cut out like a minute and a half. Which YouTube start cutting out 5 minutes from out your live. So when you end a Facebook live, you have the options. You have to read before you click. Because if you just click, so there's 3 options there. The first one you'll see is leave for 30 days. But then you have to switch it to get the other options. And then it's going to turn like the first 1 minute and 6 seconds into a reel video. It does that. But if you don't do Facebook Live, you don't know. And if you go on Facebook and you go in the dashboard, each week it gives you different options that you gotta do. It says people comment on your stuff, might say reply to 20 comments. Share 5 videos into your story. Share a picture and you post a picture and they give you another option. Like 4 different options they give you. They give you all the platforms give you stuff. But YouTube don't really give you stuff to do, but Facebook does that. What they say about YouTube? I don't know what I just said. But yeah, Facebook said that they're gonna. I hear a lot of Facebook people talking about that. You only could keep this stuff for 30 days now. So I was telling this lady must start a YouTube because she said she don't have no YouTube channel. I watch a lot of older couples on Facebook. They do a lot of lives and stuff. They have commercials in the Facebook lives and stuff like that. Like Tennessee Soul Food. And this other lady, what's her name? A whole bunch of people. Cooking with Chef Ruby, Cora. Follow all of them people on Facebook, you know. Not just on YouTube alone. I haven't gone on TikTok for a while, but so if you have all the platforms, you have to use it. Spend a day or 2 on each. And the same videos then that you post over here. Like if you post shorts over here. Oh yeah, when you end the YouTube live, it's not doing it for all your videos, but it takes like 5 minutes from the video. It doesn't necessarily mean the beginning of the video, and it posts it as like a short. It does that, but not all the video it does that for. You never noticed that? It will tell you which section of the live. So if it's from 11 minutes to whatever other minutes, it's gonna post there, and it will give you the timeline where it took that clip from. And you yourself could go into your video and cut out section too, but there's so much stuff that you could do on YouTube. And YouTube have that new option now where you could create a video. I've been doing a lot of those. Like when you go into YouTube studio, let me see the device. Hold on, I have this thing recording. Anyway, thanks for watching.